It's time to remove this 3-week-old design right here and do something for Valentine's using this gel starter kit that was sent to me by Beetles. It comes with this LED light and even these so you can swatch your colors and 55 colors of gel polish. I've been wanting a red shade like this one. I love it. It also comes with all of these accessories, remover foil wraps, lint-free wipes, all of these tools here. So this kit contains everything you'll need to do your nails at home, so let's get started. Here's my inspiration pick, so I'm going to use this shade of pink and then I think this one right here. The kit also comes with these adorable bow stickers and these here which have a heart on them, which I'll definitely be able to use. It also has several different options of stickers for French tips and different designs. First, I'm going to use the buffer to remove any shine from the nails and then use alcohol on these wipes to remove any oil that may be on the nails. Next, I'll apply a thin layer of the base coat to each nail and then cure it for 60 seconds under the light. I'll start with this hot pink shade for my thumb, my middle finger, and my pinky. I'm going to cure that, and then I'll do the light pink shade for these two nails. I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds, and I have to say I actually love these just the way they are, but I did have my heart set on the other design, so let's just go for it. First, the heart. I'm going to use this one, which looks similar to the shape in the photo. These tweezers that come with the set make it super easy to grab the sticker and apply it to your nail. Once it's on, you can use the tweezers to gently push it into place. Now I'm going to use this fine tip white color to fill the inside of the heart very, very carefully, and I actually love how that turned out. Next, the polka dots, which I'm petrified to do, but this fine tip definitely makes it so much easier. Okay, I can breathe now, and it actually looks really cute. Now the stripes might be a different story, but let's just go for it. And okay, not bad at all. I'm so happy with how these look. It really was super simple and I just saved myself about $100 at the nail salon. So now I'm going to cure that. I'm going to add a top coat, which is the easiest part to do. Just apply it to each nail and I'm going to cure it for 90 seconds. So this hand is finished, and if they feel a little sticky, you can just add a little alcohol to your wipe and wipe each nail off and it'll take away the stickiness. Both hands are finished and I'm actually blown away and surprised I was able to do this. I just started my DIY nail journey about a month ago and I'm loving it. This Beetles kit definitely made the process so much easier. You can get this whole kit for $35 right now by clicking on that link below if you want to start your DIY nail journey.